How can 3D printing boost performance and cut emissions? Discover how SSAB uses metal additive manufacturing to create stronger tools, shorten lead times, and eliminate obsolete parts while cutting emissions.
SSAB has a legacy of pushing the envelope when it comes to standards, not settling with what's good, we need to be greater. We love working with our partners because they're challenging how the market looks today. By using our non-standard material, they get instant performance and they enable new design solutions, which was impossible yesterday to being possible today. One of these partners is LaserTool in Olofström, who does additive manufacturing with SSAB steel powders.
SSAB reached out with a need of reverse engineering spare parts for the production lines. That later evolved into us printing spare parts and complicated parts for them. One of the biggest challenges 3D printing is that a lot of parts are made for traditional methods. Then you really need to rethink the procedure and only print what's needed for the part. The biggest benefit with laser hardening is that you can choose where on the part you want it to be hardened. Another big benefit is that this method creates very little distortion on the part. This component we're making for SSAB, we have managed to increase the lifetime 3 times by increasing the wear resistance and also shorten the supply chain by delivering directly to SSAB.
We're growing in different markets from automotive to industrial usage, from components to repairs. We're producing better than standard, meaning that the customer gets instant performance, strength to a higher cost advantage.